Golden poison dart frog. The golden poison dart frog is the most poisonous vertebrate on Earth. Found in the rainforests of Colombia, this tiny frog measures only 5 centimeters long, but its skin contains enough batrachotoxin to kill 10 adult humans, or 20,000 mice. Indigenous people have used its poison for centuries. They rub their blowgun darts on the frog's skin. One dart can bring down a monkey or a large bird. The frog does not produce the poison itself. It gets it from the insects it eats. In captivity, without those insects, it is not poisonous. In the wild, touching this frog is extremely dangerous. The toxin attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis. There is no antidote, but the frog is not aggressive. It will only release its poison when threatened. Its bright yellow color is a warning. In nature, bright colors mean stay away. If you see one, do exactly that. Irukandji Jellyfish. It is one of the smallest and most venomous jellyfish in the world. It measures only 1 cubic centimeter, about the size of a fingernail. It lives in the waters of northern Australia. Its tentacles are covered with stingers that fire venom into the skin. The sting itself is mild. You might barely notice it. But 30 minutes later, something terrifying happens. Victims experience Irukandji syndrome, severe back pain, muscle cramps, nausea, a feeling of impending doom. Victims genuinely believe they are going to die. Their blood pressure spikes to dangerous levels. Some suffer heart failure. The symptoms can last for hours or even days. There is no anti-venom. Treatment focuses on managing the pain. This tiny jellyfish has killed people. And because it is so small, it can pass through nets designed to protect swimmers. You will not see it coming. You will barely feel it. And then the nightmare begins. Sydney funnel web spider. The Sydney funnel web is considered the most dangerous spider in the world. Found within a 160-kilometer radius of Sydney, Australia, this spider is aggressive by nature. Unlike most spiders that flee, the funnel web will stand its ground and attack. Its fangs are large and strong enough to pierce fingernails. The venom contains a toxin called batrachotoxin that attacks the nervous system. It causes muscles to contract uncontrollably. Victims experience sweating, muscle spasms, and difficulty breathing. Before antivenom was developed in 1981, there were 13 recorded deaths. Since then, there have been none. But the spider remains highly dangerous. What makes it especially threatening is that it often enters homes and gardens. It hides in cool, damp places, and it does not give warning signs before striking. Male funnel webs are more venomous than females, and they are the ones that wander into houses during mating season. Marbled cone snail. The marbled cone snail is one of the most venomous animals you have never heard of. Found in the warm waters of the Indo-Pacific, this beautiful snail has a shell with intricate brown and white patterns. It looks like something you would pick up on a beach. Do not. The marbled cone snail hunts using a modified tooth that works like a harpoon. It can fire this harpoon with incredible speed and accuracy. The venom contains hundreds of different toxins called conotoxins. Each one targets a different part of the nervous system. One drop of its venom can kill 20 adult humans. There is no antivenom. The sting feels like a small pinprick. You might not even notice it. But within hours, paralysis spreads through your body. Your lungs stop working, and you die. This slow-moving snail is one of the deadliest hunters in the ocean. Its shell is beautiful, its venom is deadly. And it is a reminder that danger often comes in beautiful packages. Deathstalker Scorpion. Deathstalker Scorpion is the most venomous scorpion in the world. Found in the deserts of North Africa and the Middle East, this small yellow scorpion measures only a few centimeters long, but its venom is a powerful cocktail of neurotoxins. A sting from a deathstalker causes excruciating pain that can last for days. Victims describe it as being burned alive while being electrocuted. The venom attacks the nervous system, causing muscle spasms, convulsions, and in severe cases, cardiac arrest. Children and the elderly are most at risk. What makes the deathstalker especially dangerous is its habitat. It hides under rocks and inside homes, making accidental encounters common. Despite its name, death is rare with prompt medical treatment. but survivors often describe the pain as the worst they have ever experienced. Pufferfish. Pufferfish is one of the most poisonous animals on Earth. It contains a toxin called tetrodotoxin. This toxin is up to 1,200 times more poisonous than cyanide. One pufferfish has enough venom to kill 30 adult humans. There is no known antidote. In Japan, pufferfish is a delicacy called fugu. Only licensed chefs are allowed to prepare it. If they make a mistake, the consequences are fatal. The toxin works by paralyzing the muscles. Victims remain fully conscious but cannot move or breathe. Death occurs within hours. Despite the risk, thousands of people eat fugu every year. They trust the chefs who spend years training to remove the toxic organs. But every year, there are still cases of poisoning. The pufferfish does not attack. It does not sting. It simply waits for someone to make a mistake. Bullet ant. Bullet ant is considered to have the most painful sting of any insect. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America, this ant grows up to 2.5 centimeters long. Its sting contains a powerful neurotoxin called ponerotoxin. Victims describe the pain as being shot with a bullet. Hence the name. The pain lasts for up to 24 hours. During that time, it causes waves of burning, throbbing agony. The affected limb can become paralyzed. Some indigenous tribes use bullet ants in initiation rituals. Young men must wear gloves filled with hundreds of bullet ants for 10 minutes. They do this 20 times. The ritual is meant to prove strength and endurance. For the rest of us, the advice is simple. Do not disturb a bullet ant nest. The pain is not fatal, but it is unforgettable. It is the kind of pain that changes how you see the world. And once you have experienced it, you never forget. Gila Monster. Gila Monster is one of the only venomous lizards in the world. Native to the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico, this slow-moving lizard grows up to 60 centimeters long. Its bite is powerful. It latches on and does not let go. It chews the venom into the wound. The venom contains toxins that cause intense pain, swelling, and a drop in blood pressure. There is no anti-venom, but fatalities are extremely rare. The last recorded death was in 1939. The Gila monster spends most of its life underground. It only comes out to hunt and mate. Despite its fearsome reputation, it is not aggressive. It will only bite if handled or stepped on. Interestingly, a component of its venom has been used to develop a drug for diabetes. A deadly animal helped create a life-saving medicine. So what is the most venomous animal on Earth? The answer depends on how you measure. If you measure by potency, the Deathstalker Scorpion is among the strongest. If you measure by human deaths, the pufferfish has killed many who underestimated its toxin. If you measure by pain, the bullet ant delivers the worst sting in the insect world. But one thing is clear. Venom is one of nature's most fascinating weapons. It can paralyze, kill, or cause unbearable pain, and it comes in the most unexpected packages. The world is full of creatures that look harmless but hide a deadly secret. Thanks for watching.